Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem about closed questions. The issue is that this particular question is deemed opinion-based and is currently not accepting any answers. Now, let's get into the solution. RFC 8615 Section 3 states that any applications looking to create new well-known URIs must register them following the procedures outlined in Section 5.1. The registry specified in Section 3.1 doesn't seem to have any health check-related entries. It suggested that only registered URIs should be placed under .well-known, although technically, there's nothing stopping you from using those paths if your services are internal. In summary, always ensure to register new well-known URIs as per the RFC guidelines. While you could potentially use unregistered paths, sticking to the established conventions is the way to go. And with that, remember to subscribe, like, and comment on the video with your thoughts. Goodbye.